Hello dear students, welcome back. Now today we are going to start a new chapter, linear equation of two variable. Throughout this chapter we are going to discuss the consistent system of simultaneous equation, inconsistent system, and graphical representation of the simultaneous linear equation. And also we are going to discuss that solution of simultaneous linear equation by different methods. So let's get started. So firstly we have to know which type of equation we are going to set linear equation of two variable. I think in your previous class, that means class 9, you already learned, but now we are revise that thing. So an equation of degree 1 which includes two variable is called the linear equation of two variable. That means any equation of degree 1, that means the maximum power of the variable, suppose x is maximum power should be 1. As we are going to discuss the linear equation of two variables, so in your equation you contains two variable x and y. So suppose x plus y, as it is equation, so left hand side equal to right hand side, suppose that equal to 5. So this is a linear equation of two variable. Linear equation, why? Because the power of the variable maximum power is 1 and also maximum power of y is also 1. Then pair of linear equation means what? A pair of linear equation is in two variable is said to form a system of simultaneous linear equation. That is our part of discussion, simultaneous linear equation. Two linear equation we are going to take in together, and this is called the system of simultaneous equation. System of simultaneous equations. So when we are taking two linear equation of two variable together, that is called the simultaneous linear equation of two variable. Next, what is the general form of pair of linear equation? The general form of pair of linear equation of two variable x and y is a1x plus b1y plus c1. This is a linear equation of two variable x and y. Another equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2. We have taking a constant term in left side, that is here a1x plus b1y plus c1 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 = 0. These are two linear simultaneous equation together. So what do you mean by a solution of this simultaneous linear equation? So a solution is a pair of value of x and y, a pair of value of x and y. Okay, a pair of value of variables x and y satisfying each of the equation in a given system of two simultaneous linear equation in x and y is called the solution of the system. That means suppose there is a linear equation, another linear equation is, so this is a system of simultaneous linear equation. For what value of x and y this linear equation and this linear equation simultaneously hold satisfied. So if you take x equals to 2 and y equal to -1, you can see this value of x and y satisfy both the equation. Let's check. So x plus y equal to, there is, I have taken x equals to 2, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1. So this right hand side is 1, so it is satisfying. And second equation 2x minus 3y, that is 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1, that is 4 into minus 1. So 4 plus 3, that is 7. Okay, so this value of x and y satisfying both the equation. So this is a solution of this equation, simultaneous linear equation. Now which type of system we are going to set? Consistent system. A system of simultaneous linear equation is said to be consistent if it has at least one solution. at least one solution. And which type of are said to be inconsistent? A system of linear simultaneous equations is said to be inconsistent if it has no solution. Okay, if at least one solution, it is consistent. If there is no solution of the simultaneous equation, then it is called inconsistent system. Now, graphical representation of linear simultaneous equation. A pair of linear equation in two variable will be represented by two straight line. It is studied in your class 9 that a linear equation of two variable always represent a straight line. So there are two linear equation. So there will be two straight line in your graphical representation. So you have to take two straight line both to be considered together. And so if you take two straight line together, then what will be your process? So when you are taking two linear equation, that means two straight line together, so there are three possibilities. You can take like this. There are two straight lines, suppose L and this is M. So these are two straight line, these are intersecting at a point, intersecting line. You can take this type of two simultaneous equation. So this is two straight line, this is L, suppose this is M. So they are not intersecting. And here suppose L and M, that means two straight line coincident with each another. So that is the straight line overlapping one with the another. So these are the three possibilities of simultaneous linear equation, that means considering two straight line together. So first case, two line intersect at one point. In this case, these two line intersecting at one point. And second case, the line are parallel. These two line are parallel. That means they will never intersect to each other. They are never intersect to each other. And the third case, the lines are coincident to each other. That means one line is overlapping to the other line. Okay. Now, what are the geometrical representation of a solution of a straight line? Suppose this is a straight line and this one is another straight line. You can see that suppose this is a1x plus b1y plus c1 and it is a2x plus b2y plus c2. These two straight line intersect at this point, suppose p x comma y. So what is the geometric representation? Geometric representation, these straight line are intersecting straight line and intersect at the point p x comma y. So it is the solution because the coordinate of this point p x comma y, it is satisfied both the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 समान 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 समान 0. If you put the value of coordinate of this point px comma y here, then it will be satisfied. Also, as this point lies in straight line this, so this point also satisfy this equation, this straight line equations. So this is the solution of these two simultaneous linear equation. Okay. So these are intersecting line and this is a consistent solution because they are intersecting, it has a solution. Solution means a point which satisfy both the straight line a1x plus b1y plus c1 समान 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 समान 0. So from the above discussion, here we can say that this is intersecting straight line and it intersect one point, so it has one solution. One solution means unique solution, and these two straight line never intersect to each other, so it has no solution. And as these straight line are overlapping each another, so every point of this straight line is coincide with the other straight line. So there are infinite point which is satisfying both the straight line, so there are infinite solution. Okay. So now we are going to discuss a very important result here, and this is the most important result for this chapter, and we are using this for result for solving of co-exercise. So let a1x plus b1y plus c1 समान 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 समान 0 be two straight lines. So let's find the coefficient of x here a1 and coefficient of x of the another straight line is a2. Coefficient of y is b1, b2, and the constant term is c1, c2. Okay, so let's find a1 by a2. That means the coefficient of x of the first line, the coefficient of the x of second line. Again, coefficient of y, b1 by b2, c1. Find this ratio a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So the condition is if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, that means the value of this ratio is not equal to ratio of this. So then what happen? Then lines will be intersecting line. That means in this form. That means in the first case, this form will be happen. So in the first case, when a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then we will get the intersecting line, and you can see here it has exactly one solution, and so it has unique solution. So for unique solution, the condition is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, and the second condition, if a1 by a2 so b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, that means three ratio are equal. So a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, then this line should always consistent line, and it has infinite many solution. And for this case, actually the line are overlapping to each other. So this case is for case 3. So one straight line overlapping to another. So this is this condition. Okay, and when a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, that means the value of this ratio two ratio are equal but the third ratio is not equal, then that straight line are parallel straight line. This type of straight line, parallel straight line, so they are never intersecting to each other, so it has no solution. So remember this result. When no solution, it is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. When we need infinite many solution, so all the three ratios should be equal, and when the intersecting line, that is the one solution, unique solution, then first two ratio a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, hope you are understood the thing which I have discussed here, and I think your concept is clear. Okay, thank you.